in Albany Park, Chicago. Obviously, we all know about the elote. This is Geo's fire-grilled elotes. Take a bite. What is up, YouTube? Today we are here Skokie Lagoons. I just got off my early morning work shift, and we plan to get some largemouth bass, one rod, one frog. That is all I have with me, guys. One rod, one frog, and my cameras. So we're gonna walk this a little bit, see if I can get any fish with the frog, only the frog. Anytime you have this beautiful weed coverage like this, the fish do look to the surface. They'll feed on dragonflies, they'll feed on insects, they'll feed on frogs. Chances of thunderstorms all through here right now, but I'm excited. Let's go. All right, guys, once you get down to the lagoons, it's not complex at all. Find the green and just keep tossing it in between. Those fish will come up and crush that froggy. Do not give up. You have to give it some time to build that confidence. The first one is always the hardest. Let's go. We're gonna frog this whole shoreline, see what happens. That's crazy. He came up and missed it. He is in a lot of weeds. He came up and missed it, and then we paused it, and then he came right back up and grabbed it. Look at that. Yes. That's what it's about right there, guys. Ooh, what a strong fish. What a beast. Here we are, guys, Skokie Lagoons. It did not take long. Just got here early morning. Just finished my early morning shift. Here, now, about 8:30 a.m. And I'd say maybe my fourth cast, we got this monster. Got this guy on a old smoky, booyah. There we go. Throw the frog. Awesome fish here. Early morning hustle. Nice belly on him. Muddy, thunderstormy here at Skokie Lagoons. Let's keep it going. See if we can get any more. Adios, amigos. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it for us out here, Skokie Lagoon, Tower Road boat launch entrance. We tried the Skokie Lagoons today. We went 1 for 1. Only one chance on a bass, and we caught him, luckily. He did miss it the first time, but on that very same cast, came right back up and swooped it in like spaghetti. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you guys next week with another GeoFishing exclusive. Remember, don't be a hermit. Get out there and throw your Kermit, okay? Frog it out, folks. It is almost over. Happy fishing.